Whew. All right, so today I am going to be flying some real estate with the FPV. This is a really unique property because it's really big. The person that's actually filming the house isn't me, it's actually my brother. So remember, I talk about collaboration and working with your competitors. So this is me doing something for him. So I'm going to be using this to sort of outline how big the property is. It's golden hour, so it's looking pretty out, but I want to talk today specifically about using drones in real estate, specifically FPV drones, and the way you should use them, because I see a lot of people doing this wrong. I'm starting to shake because it's cold. All right, let me get this in the air. Let's get started. All right, so I got very, very little light, but basically what I'm doing is just running down this driveway. I'm just trying to make a dynamic shot. Now, when I see a lot of people use FPV in real estate lately, they try to fly through houses, and I think that's the wrong way to use an FPV drone. Yeah, it's cool if you're doing like a warehouse tour, but when you're specifically doing real estate for a client, I think the FPV shots need to be limited to the outside and just make them as dynamic as possible. It's cool to go through a house, but the problem with going through the house, it really isn't the FPV drone, it's the camera. The cameras are really limited to the sensor capability, and they're really small and they're not going to let in a lot of light. So this quad is running at 700 milliwatts, and I'm actually having some issues breaking through the trees. It actually is giving me a little bit of an issue. It's hard to see, but there's a lot of tree coverage, a lot of turkeys too. Those were all turkeys that you probably saw. So right now what I got to do is tie into the FPV shot. So I got to get the Mavic up in the air. There's a lake way back there, so he wants to tie the two shots together. So we'll see how we can make that work. Let me get a Mavic up in the air now. All right, I'm all wrapped up here. I think I got some good shots. I think I got good shots anyways. Got some Mavic shots, got some good drone shots. Again, the whole idea with when you're sprinkling in FPV into real estate video, you want to do it where it feels natural. Like there's natural movements of real estate, like the driveway, big properties like this where a Mavic just isn't going to really encompass how big a property is, and you got to cover a lot of ground fast. That's where these FPV drones work, not inside houses and stuff. Cinewhoops are cool. You get an interesting all-in-one take shot, but I don't know, for me, like having a camera, like a full-size camera doing the work for you inside the house is going to give you a better, more professional result. Sprinkling FPV on the outside is going to give you like that cherry on top where it just looks amazing. So I can't believe I'm shivering right now. It's cold. It's really cold. It's the first time I've flown in the cold. I need to get some hand warmers, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way this flew. This is the Source 1 that I built. I really am happy with this frame. I guess I really don't know whether or not I should keep using the Source 1 frames or use something else. I'm just really, really happy with the way these fly, and they're just cheap. So if I break them, I could just build another one pretty easily. So running 6S on that, 1100s. Look at this case my brother built for his freaking camera. Like, he's got everything labeled. He's got Black Magic. He's got the Canon 60. He's got the Fuji X-T3 right here. The Ronin gimbal. This case had to cost some stupid money. And then he's got all this shit up here. I just throw my stuff in a fucking backpack. And it works fine. Like, you throw it in a backpack, you never have to worry about it. This guy's got all this shit. He's got another layer. What the hell's under this layer? Fucking eccentric motherfucker. Oh man, it's old. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you didn't hear me say it, we are doing 31 videos the month of December. So I'm trying to create videos. What are you running for? What are you running for?
Yeah, fucker, I was calling you. The cow was chasing me.
What do you mean the cow's chasing you?
You don't hear me?
No, dude, my phone's on silent.
I was screaming your name. Look at it.
Stay original. Until the flips are stabilized, I'll have enough. I got the top down of the backyard. I would probably just use that.
Yeah, I figured the backyard doesn't show enough.
Only showing.